Footing marking surveyors play a crucial role in the construction industry, especially when it comes to ensuring the accuracy and precision of building foundations. Begur SCON Design India Pvt Limited, based in Bangalore, is a prominent firm that specializes in offering top-notch footing marking surveying services. With their expertise and experience, they contribute significantly to the successful completion of construction projects. The process of footing marking involves accurately measuring and marking the locations where the foundation of a building will be constructed. This is a critical step as it sets the stage for the entire construction process. The surveyors at Begur SCON Design India Pvt Limited are well-trained professionals who possess in-depth knowledge of surveying techniques and equipment. They use advanced tools and technologies to ensure precise measurements and markings, leaving no room for errors or miscalculations. The expertise of footing marking surveyors is essential in determining the correct dimensions and positioning of the building's foundation. This involves taking into account various factors such as soil conditions, load-bearing capacity, and structural requirements. Through careful analysis and calculation, the surveyors are able to provide accurate measurements and markings that serve as a guide for the construction team. Begur SCON Design India Pvt Limited is known for its commitment to quality and attention to detail. Their team of surveyors diligently carries out thorough site inspections and surveys to gather all the necessary information before commencing the footing marking process. This ensures that all relevant factors are taken into consideration, resulting in a well-planned and accurately marked foundation. The use of advanced technology is another distinguishing factor of Begur SCON Design India Pvt Limited. Their surveyors are equipped with state-of-the-art tools that enable them to carry out their work with utmost precision. These tools include total stations, GPS devices, and laser scanners, which facilitate accurate measurements and markings. With the help of these tools, the surveyors are able to gather data quickly and efficiently, saving both time and resources. In conclusion, footing marking surveyors play a critical role in the construction industry by ensuring the accuracy and precision of building foundations. Begur SCON Design India Pvt Limited, located in Bangalore, is a reputed firm that offers top-notch footing marking surveying services. Their team of experienced and skilled surveyors employs